he just say loggery? He really said loggery?
He did. He did do that.
Well, he's not wrong. He's not wrong. Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer. Today you have the Rhino. Alejandro is over there. The cartoon is coming. He's running. He's running. He's running. Oh my God, he's running. Today we're drinking a beer from Sawdust City in Bracebridge. This is the Pink Grapefruit Radler.
Uh-oh. I like grapefruit. I do.
So last year they had a raspberry Radler. This year they have a pink grapefruit Radler. This one is 3.5% alcohol by volume.
Oh, wonderful.
So yeah, we'll get into this ingredients. Water, pink grapefruit juice, malted barley, wheat, hops, and yeast. And on packaged on, there's nothing.
Oh, no.
No information on the packaged on. There's a package on spot.
No.
Oh, wait. They sticked it down here. They sticked it down here.
Oh.
April 10th.
Oh.
2 months, not bad. That's not a good smell, though.
Also, in case you don't know, this is the General Fluff Nugget. Right here. Okay?
Don't know if General Fluff Nugget's on camera or not.
Yeah, who knows? I don't even know if I am.
You're on.
I don't know.
General Fluff Nugget is starting to eat the table.
Oh.
Hey, General Fluff Nugget.
GFN? We just go GFN? That's modern, right? GFN?
Yeah.
The kids like that stuff, don't they? Yes, the kids. And their letters and no words.
I wish I had 3 hands.
Right? It's okay. I'm here. Yes.
Here you go.
Okay.
Let me take it to that smell, because that's not what I expected to smell.
Ah!
So,
Sorry.
golden.
Yes, very light straw. Very light carbonation too. There's like not a lot of motion in there. White head. It's going down. But
Whoa! What the fuck is that?
kind of smells like a barn accident. it's a bit farty. To be fair.
General Fluff Nugget.
General Fart Nugget.
This is who the cartoon has been calling General Fluff Nugget.
Yes.
Her name is Colleen.
I mean, seriously. Fluff Nugget. Fluff Nugget. Seriously.
She'll also be 180 pounds in about 2 days.
Oh, but honestly, what's with the fart machine of a beer?
Yeah, you didn't smell it when it first opened.
No, I'm sure
Oh,
that was
wow.
first. And also, I'm being whipped.
She has a flappy tail. All dogs that have flappy tails are like that. It's a big old flappy tail. See, that's a mastiff tail right there.
Yeah, fair enough.
Okay, so
Also, farty beer. What's up?
grapefruit
What,
Radler.
tell me why you think this is happening. Why is the farty beer happening? I mean, technically.
What you're smelling is the grapefruit.
Think so?
Yeah.
Think it's just the fruit going off, like the fruit fermentation?
I think it's the fruit mixed with the hops, because
Yeah.
Sam likes to overhop his beers, especially beers that shouldn't be overhopped.
So you think there's like a fermented fruit sort of funk going on with like a hops that probably shouldn't be happening there if you wanted to make it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try it though.
Alright, yeah, me too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Only mildly cloudy too, which is nice. Looking forward to it. Oh, fruit yummy. Oh, it's like a sour gummy. That is wonderful. Like, no, not a sour gummy, like a sour juju. Like a yellow sour juju. That is wonderful.
I'm reminded a little bit of Pink McCain lemonade, but really watered down, like not
Extremely watered down.
like, but you know what I mean, right? Like it has that flavor, just not nearly as sweet.
Oh, I like it. Oh, it's like a sour gummy or juju. I like this. This is candy beer. Candy beer for the win.
It's not as offensive as it smells.
No, it
No.
smelled a lot worse than it. Like it tastes fine. It did not smell fine.
Smell like farts.
That being
Tastes
said-
like candy. Wonderful.
That being said, when it comes to grapefruit Radlers, I think I'm still a fan more of the Bud Light and the Stiegel.
Well, Stiegel's great, isn't it?
I don't like admitting that I like the Bud Light Radler, but it's a good Radler.
It's a decent, yeah.
Stiegel Lemon Radler's in the country right now.
I'm sorry. I'm getting like maybe a sour wine gum, like a yellow sour wine gum. I'm all about the chewy candy right now. I'm getting blown away by this. This is fun. I like it.
Oh, don't get me wrong. I like it. I'm just saying that for myself, I think I like macro Radlers more than I like craft Radlers. One, because of the price, and two, because they seem to do it better. That being said, this is the best craft Radler I've had.
Indeed. Oh, and it's clean and yummy. Oh,
And unlike the
you're
other
right,
ones, it's
you're
not
right.
nearly as sweet, so I think I could sit back and drink even more of them. You know, like the Bud Light, the Stiegel, the Rickards, all of those, they're all just so fucking sweet. The Waterloo.
Yeah, this is wonderfully balanced. It's like clean and sort of acidic.
Clean, sort of acidic, a little bit of sweetness, a little bit of sourness,
Yeah.
and mixed real well, drinks real well. I'm going to give it an 8. I would buy it again. You know what? Actually, I'd give it an 8.5 because I gave an 8 to the
Yep.
Parallel 49 Tricycle Radler, and I like this more.
I think that this is the best a Radler can be. It's clean, not overly sweet, not cloudy with juice, still kind of beery. For a Radler, I have to give this an 8.75. This is like I don't know if I can ever dance for a Radler, so it's gonna get an 8.8. How's that? But like, it's good. It's wonderful.
Alejandro?
8.5, yeah, like same deal. It's not offensive. It's just it lacks the beery things that I enjoy, but
It's a Radler.
it's
so
absolutely
really-
it's a Radler, yeah, exactly. So like, what can you
Dare I say the champagne of Radlers? It's wonderful.
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll be in. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
What are you doing, General Fluff Nugget?
I shouldn't be calling you that. You're still learning your name.